You can see on the left side that I created a social media post generator. I'm using Gemini, AI, APIs. You can download for free this little app, check it out, see how it works for you, and let me know in the comments below how to improve it and what to change, how to make it better, of course. I included instructions in the download link, but if you want to watch the video how to connect your API with this to make it work, let's do this now. When you download it, you will see just this single HTML file, so you can just open it up and it will open up in your Chrome or Mozilla, whatever, and over here you will see what to do. So for example, travel in Arizona. We want 2 posts, click generate posts, and you will get your posts. You can use Automagic Polish, you can create image prompts, expand to carousel, you can generate some alternative hooks. Just copy it here and paste it in the LinkedIn, download as TXT file or CSV file, absolutely gorgeous. For this to work, you need to connect your API. Let me show you extremely quickly how to do this. It's very simple, don't worry. You can open this with, for example, just a regular notepad. Press Ctrl F, API, type in API and find it. And if I go over here, you can see your API has been kept securely in place. Over here you need to paste your API, just here between these 2 brackets. And to get your API, we will go to our Google, I will put the link in the description. You can go to Google AI Studio. It looks like this. Go to your API keys and click up here, create API key. Gemini project, create key, you will get this. Click here, over here, copy API key and just paste it here. Like I said, paste it here, make sure to save everything, and if you run it, it will work perfectly. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, drop some subs and likes, and let me know if you have any ideas what to make next. Drop your ideas in the comments and I will pick up the best one and create one app for you so we can all download it and use it for free, of course. Wish you a nice day.